Want safer rides and a longer-lasting scooter? It all comes down to regular upkeep. In this quick guide, we show you essential daily checks and simple maintenance steps. Spend just a few minutes learning these tips to ensure every ride feels great. Let's get started.
Always do a 60-second pre-ride check. This vital habit prevents over 80% of accidents and keeps you safe.
Follow this step-by-step walkthrough. Tire pressure quick check.
Lock your wheels. Squeeze brake levers fully.
Step on the rear footrest with one foot. Lean forward and press down hard with your body weight.
If you see slight tire flex under pressure, it shows good inflation within the correct range.
Check the front wheel the same way.
Folding mechanism test. You must hear a clear click when closing the folding lever. This confirms the lock is engaged every time.
Tug firmly to confirm it won't release.
Test the safety latch. Press and release to confirm it springs back smoothly every time.
Test handlebar steering.
Turn the handlebars left and right. They must move freely without catching or hanging up at any point.
Brake and throttle test.
Squeeze and release brake levers. Twist the throttle grip. They must snap back fast and firm with no gritty feel every time. Light check. Front lights, shine bright and clear.
Direction lights, left and right, blink bright yellow. You must hear a clear click-click every time they flash.
Rear lights, always on or flash bright when braking. You choose in the app. All clear, go enjoy your ride. Make every trip smooth and happy.
Along with your pre-ride checks, service your scooter thoroughly every 3 months or 500 kilometers. This needs basic mechanical skills and tools like thread locker and a torque wrench. Proper maintenance keeps critical parts tight and ensures your scooter always performs at its best. Comprehensive tire inspection. Replace your tire at once if it shows any of these: bulge over 10 millimeters, crack longer than 5 millimeters, exposed cords. When to replace your tire? Watch for these warning signs. Find sidewall triangle, follow to tread groove. Feel the raised bar inside. Bar level with tread? Change tires now. Don't wait. Safety first. It's critical. Set tire pressure right. Before riding or after 2+ hours resting, measure tire pressure on both wheels with a gauge. Below 42 psi, top up air. Above 48 psi, let air out. Keep pressures locked between 42 to 48 psi at all times. Deviations over 10% endanger your safety. Tires are critical safety components. Check them regularly without fail.
Brake system test.
Brake force test. Power off. Clamp down hard on front or rear brake levers. Try pushing the scooter. Wheels must show 0 movement with positive lock confirmed.
If wheels fail to lock or brake levers bottom out against handlebar grips,
adjust the tension adjustment nut of the corresponding brake lever. Turn out the outer nut until braking feels right. Make sure the wheel locks fully and the lever stops before reaching the grip. Finally, hand tighten the inner lock nut flush against the lever body. Disc brake system test. If a brake disc is warped or cracked, it must be replaced immediately. If you see brake pads under 2 millimeters thick or worn unevenly with high-low spots, replace them instantly for safety. Check all bolts on the disc brake mount. If any bolt turns a quarter turn, remove it, apply thread locker, and reinstall it tight. We recommend tightening the bolts to the specified torque with a torque wrench. Follow this inspection sequence. Inspect all bolts on the handlebar. Pay special attention to the clamp bolts on the brake lever and throttle.
Then inspect the clamp bolts where the handlebar meets the stem.
Check the adjusting screw on the folding wrench. Thoroughly inspect the fastening screws where the folding deck meets the front fork.
Inspect all fastening screws on both the front shock absorber and front fender. Also, check all nuts securing both front and rear wheels. You must have an 18mm socket wrench ready for this step.
Warning: for all screw operations, follow the torque settings in your maintenance manual. Never apply excessive force. Caution: for complex replacements or torque value calibrations, if you're not fully confident in your skills, we strongly recommend going to an authorized service center.
Cleaning and storing the vehicle.
Wipe the frame with plain water or mild soap only. Keep motor and charging ports covered while cleaning and dry thoroughly afterward.
Regular cleaning keeps your scooter looking sharp and fights off grime, dust, and corrosive elements like road salt or acid rain. This prevents damage to the frame, bearings, and other parts, extending its service life significantly.
For daily parking, keep the vehicle in a dry spot with good airflow to prevent moisture damage. For long-term storage, fully charge the battery and top it up every 6 months to prevent deep discharge. Find more service details on our official website.